Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today I have this Crivit rechargeable torch with a charging case. 1500 mAh it is the torch and 3000 mAh the case. Charging case and includes micro USB cable, 4 light modes, 100% brightness, 50% brightness, strobe scope and SOS mode and adjustable focus. Well, nice all that. Let's open to see what we have inside, find out how it works and how much brightness it can give us at total dark. Nothing else at the box. There we've got a lovely case, Crivit logo, we've got the manual, instructions. If you want to read it, is your choice, but stay with me, I'm gonna find out all about this product. And of course we've got the Type A to micro USB cable, and the length it is about 1 meter. Perfect. At the back we've got the charging port, okay, micro USB port, LED light at the front, nice case with magnets up and down, close very fast, and it can hold the flashlight inside very well. Now let's open it. There's the torch. Let's remove the tape and reveal the two contact blades that it comes in contact with. These two contact blades, and you can charge your flashlight. Just install it at the base and we can see we've got a red light, same outside at the box, red light. That means the flashlight is charging, and when it's fully charged it will turn off the lights. Perfect. Focus and focus mode, sliding the front area. We've got the on off switch button. We've got one bright torch with a 10-watt CREE-LED and high quality lithium battery, 1500 mAh inside in this torch. And of course in the case we've got the integrated powerful polymer battery, 3000 mAh. In total we've got the 4500 mAh. Definitely it is enough to use this flashlight. On a high brightness it can work about 1.5 hours with a 1500 mAh. And of course you can charge it again and have more time and use this flashlight. Splash-proof torch housing made of an anodized aluminium with a rubberized switch, IP44. That means when it's working, the aluminium, it can cool down the LED, and of course you are not going to damage your LED at the front. We've got the 500 luminous flux maximum, and of course for charging and the case, install again the flashlight inside, close that. Connect at the back, and now we can see green light is flashing. That means it's charging the case at this moment, and of course and the flashlight. And when it's fully charged, the green light it will stay solid on. Perfect. Red again, that means it's charging the flashlight. And let's turn it on. This is the high brightness, focus and focus mode. Of course, I will show you at the night, and you can see when it's turned on, we've got the green LED. 50% brightness, strobe, and SOS mode. Off. High brightness, 50%, strobe, SOS mode. At any mode, of course, you can do focus and focus. It is your choice how you want to use it. Perfect. And off. I can hold it with my hand. It is a nice design, I like it. Well, let's move on outside and see how much brightness it can give us. And here we have the high brightness, focus and focus. It is your choice how you want to work. 50% brightness, and again focus and focus. strobe, and focus, focus, SOS mode, same, and focus, focus, off, and high brightness. Definitely you can see everything at the night. High brightness, it can illuminate everything crystal clear. Check at any time what is happening, and adjust focus and focus. It is your choice how you want. You can see at the road, at the trees. Well guys, that was all about it. Cost about 22 euros. And if you need that kind of flashlight, I think it is a great choice. It comes with a rechargeable case, and at all time you will have the case and expand your battery at your torch. Total 4500 mAh of battery. Long enough to use it for outside activities, for fishing, camping. It is your choice. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second. Press the subscribe button. Share this video, you never know who may need it. And hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.